डू, अगर आपको एक शेल्फ लाइफ तो है, वी एग्री विद दैट, राइट? शेल्फ लाइफ है, यू आर नेवर द सेम बॉडी टाइप, यू विल इवेंचुअली ग्रो ओल्डर, योर बॉडी विल चेंज एंड यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू फिट इन अ स्मॉल एंड एन एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल साइज. So you won't be able to model all your life, your skin will sag, the beauty will go down, and this is it's a beauty business, to be very honest, right? And you can keep up with that to a certain time, but after that you have to give up. But acting is something that you can even do roles when you're maturer or you're older, you can continue with that. So if you want to, well enough, diversify into acting, branch out. If not, you don't want to do anything, you want to retire at the age of 35, sure, get married, have children, do what you want to do. So there is no hard and fast rule that every model has to turn into an actress.
एक्ट्रेस की बात ही नहीं करती, मैं तो कहती हूँ ऑल्टरनेट करियर डेवलप करना चाहिए क्या साथ साथ?
हाँ, आपकी मर्जी है, करें तो बहुत अच्छा है. फॉर women it's very very important. As a feminist, if I speak as a feminist, I would really encourage people to do business or do another job or diversify into something else and just have financial independency. With whatever way you choose. You choose to be an entrepreneur, you choose to be invest into something, and you invest into stocks. You do whatever you want to do. You start a little home business, whatever you want to do, you do that, right? That's important. Everyone should have financial autonomy, especially women in this country, because realize कि हम अपनी ज़िंदगी में बड़े फैसले तभी ले सकते हैं जब हम financially independent हैं.
बिल्कुल.
अगर हम नहीं हैं तो हम नहीं ले सकते. We